Hey babe, welcome to another video. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm doing like my Sunday reset, kind of like a lounge with me like type of series. So you're just lounging with me in the house and I'm just doing certain things in the house. I actually really love these type of videos. So anyway, this video is sponsored by NASTYGAL. So thank you to NASTYGAL for sponsoring this video. I'm just going to show you a few items that I got from NASTYGAL. If you're interested in any of the items that I show you here today, everything will be listed in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. So yes, let me go ahead and show you what I got from NASTYGAL. Oh, stretch, 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 stretch. Yeah, it's a good boy. All right, you guys, here's the first item that I got from NASTYGAL, which are these sweatpants, and I'm just like so here for them. Like I just love the color. These are something that I can lounge around in the house with, or if I needed to run some errands, I can throw these on really quick and just go. So yeah, this is what they look like. It's like this little chocolate brown color, so gorgeous. I love just how they feel and look here on my body. If I step all the way back, you can see that they are kind of like flare legs, but what I love so much is that it has like a little split, girl. It has like a little split right here, so it just adds a little bit of character to it, and I'm just like so here for it. I think it's so cute, and might I add, girl, very much comfy. These are the petite sustainable seamless leggings from NASTYGAL. Girl, is it not giving you body? Come on. I think that these are so freaking cute. I love the color. They fit so well on the body, and they definitely like, you know, like suck you in. And again, this is something that you can wear just around the house, or if you wanted to, you can put like a big t-shirt or something like that over it. You can run out and like run some errands. So I just think that this is a really nice look, and I am so here for these. And they do stop at like a decent length, so I'm just here for these. They feel so good. All right, so here is the next item, and it's this blazer. Like you guys know, I love blazers in the fall. You cannot go through fall without having like a good quality blazer, and this is what NASTYGAL is giving. Okay, like this blazer is really great quality. It does have some shoulder pads in here, which I absolutely love because I just really like that structure whenever it comes to my blazers. And you can really dress this up, you can dress it down if you want more of like a casual feel to it. You can wear some like jeans and some sneakers with it, or if you really want to like dress it up, you can definitely throw some heels on or like some boots on with it or whatever. So it's so freaking cute. I love this color. It's kind of like a charcoal like gray. This is how it looks here. It's just such a gorgeous blazer. So many different things that you can do with this blazer, but yes, so freaking cute. All right, so here's the next look from NASTYGAL, and girl, talk about a look. Okay, this is definitely something you can wear around the holidays. It is so freaking cute, and I just love the style of this. So here we have this 2-in-1 dress here. So we have like this little turtleneck kind of like half shirt here, and it literally is just like a two-piece. It does have like this little turtleneck here, and then just stepping all the way back here, it's just a dress. Okay, so it's very gorgeous. I love the color here on my skin complexion. You can definitely wear this with some boots and some heels, just depending on what you have going on. You can throw on a jacket with this as well, so completely up to you. But this is so freaking cute, and I'm just like so here for like this whole style. So this is a recycled satin jumpsuit, and I picked this because I thought it would be perfect for like the holidays coming up, whether you're going to like a party or you're just gathering around, you know, with family and friends, or you're just eating like I would be. I thought this would be like a nice little cute little look. The true color of it is so gorgeous. It has some shoulder pads here, and then it cinches in at the waist. So yeah, this is how it looks. So if I step all the way back, it does come all the way down, like as you can see. So you can easily wear some heels with this, and it's just a really nice, like very cute jumpsuit. This is how it looks here in the back. I actually really like this jumpsuit. I don't feel like it's the most flattering on my body shape though, so I can probably like add like a little belt to it just to kind of like cinch me in. But other than that, this is really cute. All right, and here's the last clothing item that I got, which is this oversized black sweater dress. This is something that I can just really just kind of like throw on if I wanted to like walk Zane in, or if I just needed to run some quick errands, or if I'm just lounging around the house. So if I step all the way back, you can see how long it comes, and it has like splits here on the side. It's also black, so it's just a perfect like neutral color. You can literally pair it with anything. And then also I got a pair of shoes, which I think this will be so cute together. Like you see, this will be a look. It's these PU lace up chunky bubble sole boots here. I love the color. Like, why am I so here for it? So this is how it looks all together. I hope you can see me. I'm gonna do a little close up soon, but yeah, this is how it looks. It's just something that I can just throw on and wear like this whole outfit. This is a very much chill, you know, casual type look. So I love these boots here, and I'm just like now getting into the style of these like chunky boots. I just love this color, and the style is just so cute. And then here's just like a little up close moment with the boots. I love these like style boots, like so freaking cute. Yes, 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 yes. Here for it, love it. But yes, that completes this Nasty Gal haul. Again, thank you to Nasty Gal for sponsoring this video. Don't forget, everything will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the video so you guys can lounge with me and see how I reset on Sundays. Good morning, girls. It's morning. Well, I'm filming this in the morning, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. I hope that you are doing well. Today is Sunday. It's actually Sunday, October 31st, like just to show you, because 31st Sunday. So happy Halloween, even though I know that I am going to be uploading this way after Halloween, but happy Halloween. I hope that you guys had a fun and safe Halloween this year. I didn't do anything, and I decided to do or share my Sunday reset with you guys. I see a lot of these videos on YouTube, and I actually love watching them, so I was like, you know, let me do one of my own, you know what I mean? The Sunday reset, maybe like slash lounge with me series that I'm going to start on my channel is really just going to be it's just really going to be like how I prepare and get ready for the new week. It's going to consist of a lot of different things, which is cleaning, majority cleaning, laundry, and just prepping for the week. This doesn't happen like every Sunday, but for the most part I am doing some type of cleaning or laundry every single Sunday. I'm actually going to do a little note list here in my phone. This is going to be very helpful, and I can check it off like as I go. It's really helpful. So today we're going to label this. Let me do a little screen recording for you guys. So what do we have planned today? Wash dishes, wash plus fold clothes, vacuum plus, what is it? Like it's like a mop, but not really a mop, so I would say mop. Okay, we need to clean, plan month, and then plan the upcoming week as well. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do, I'm just gonna start here in the kitchen, and I'm just gonna also be showing you some of the products that I use on what I clean with. So that's what we're gonna do, girl. All right, guys, so I'm in my room. I finished with like the kitchen and the living room. Yeah, your girl is tired. Like, I took a little, like a 10-minute break or whatever. I'm gonna take me a little break and then we're gonna reconvene later. So what has happened? So I'm washing my sheets. I'm about to plan my month and week, and I'm about to like take a quick break and like make something to eat. And I'm also gonna make my grocery list. But I'm going to make this Trader Joe's barbecue chicken pizza. It is so good. I bought 2 of these. This was in my last vlog, but I bought 2 of these and I had one of them the other day and baby, it was good. I like everything very crispy, so preheat oven to 450. And it says bake 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the crust is golden brown, but I probably will leave it in here. I think I left it in here like the other day for like maybe 20 minutes, maybe 25 or whatever. It depends on how you like your pizza cooked. Oh, this pizza looks so good. Now it has onions on it. And I don't know if y'all know just yet, but it's an onion recall, okay? So I hope this pizza was, you know, put out in the stores before the onion recall. I don't know, but it's good. It got onions on it and I'm gonna eat it. But y'all, I know you can't even like see it, but look at it through the, oh, it looks so good. But while that is, you know, doing this thing, is preheating, it's planning time. So this is the first planner that I use, which is the Ultimate YouTube Planner. So it has like a little quote here, and then it gives you like your month at a glance. So you put your month in the year, and then basically you can do like your content thing. And each week you have 3 different videos. So I guess it's kind of recommending that you upload at least 3 times a week. And there are some notes here at the bottom. You go straight into the video planning, which is like week by week. This right here is kind of like week 1, and then you kind of go into detail. So you can do the title, your expected uploaded date, and then you have like check boxes right here where you can say film, edited, uploaded, and then also points to cover within the video. So this is the next planner that I've been using, which is the Budget Essentially Planner. Someone sent this to me. I've been using this a lot. You basically just schedule out like your months. Like as you can see, I put the little, they sent me the stickers here, and I just put like the rest of the stickers to March of next year. But like I said, I'm going into digital planning. But basically you just plan out your whole like month, and then you can go into your week. What I do like about this planner really quick is that they do have like a paycheck budget. So that's literally like what I use to plan. So here's the pizza. So I'm just about to plan while I eat. All right, babe, so that completes my Sunday reset. I do hope that you enjoyed it, and don't forget to check out NASTYGAL in the description box below. I will have all the links to all the items, including my sizes. Honestly, for the rest of the day, I just kind of chill and watch TV. I don't really do much else. I do like to get all my cleaning done earlier so I can chill and relax at night. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you want to see more of this on my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.